In this video, I'm going to take you through a very important thing here in QuickBooks. So yes, I'm looking at QuickBooks, and the version I'm using is QuickBooks Enterprise Accountant 18. So I'm going to be taking you through how to add the consumption tax to your invoices. So I'm going to show you how to set it up so that when you do an invoice for one of your customers, that you can have the consumption tax becoming applicable. All right, now just so that we're on the same level, here in Jamaica our consumption tax is general consumption tax, for short. We refer to it as GCT. In other jurisdictions, such as in the UK, they have value added tax, for short they refer to it as VAT. All right, so just so that we're on the same level, so I'm going to show you how to set up that so that you can charge your customers this consumption tax. All right, now the first thing that you want to do is go to list, and you're going to click on chart of accounts. Let me expand this here. Here on the bottom here where it says account, you want to click there, and you're going to go to new. So this is a new entry. Here where it says other types, other account types, click there. I'm going to select other current liability. So this is a liability. Click continue, and then here now you are required to put in an account name. Now notice that you can also have a sub account of this account. Based on that, my recommendation here is to give it a name which will be quite general, not too specific, given the fact that you can perhaps have multiple taxes that you want to be associated with this account name here. All right, so let me call this consumption tax. All right, so that's it there. And of course you can put a description there if you want, put in your account number and so forth. All right, I'm gonna click save and close. Then go to edit, preferences. Here, this is what we want here, sales tax. And then I'm going to go to company preferences. Here where it says do you charge sales tax, change that to yes if it is no. Here where it says when do you pay sales tax, so this is when you pay it over to your tax department. So is it monthly, quarterly, annually? You select the respective one there. I'm going to let that remain at monthly. Here where it says add sales tax item, I'm going to click there, and I'm going to give it the name. So I'm going to call this GCT. And you can actually, in setting this up, you can actually do it in such a way that you actually distinguish between the consumption tax that you pay for your clients, right? So the consumption tax that you will be charging your customers, and the consumption tax that you would actually pay your suppliers. Okay, so you can have GCT or VAT outflow, or VAT or GCT inflow. All right, hope you get the point. All right, so let me call this out. So this will be what now I would be collecting from the customers, my customers. All right, click there, that will pop up, and then here let me put in the rate. So here, what is it, 16.5%. Then you're going to click there, and you're going to select who this is payable to. So let me call this tax administrator, ADMIN of Jamaica. All right, and of course you can put in the other information, data that is required there. Click OK. Everything is okay. Click OK. And then here also where it says your most common sales tax item, click there, and I'm going to be selecting GCT out. Click OK, and this pop-up, it is requiring that the section be updated. So it says make all existing customers taxable. Yes, you want to have that checked. And make all existing non-inventory and inventory parts taxable. Yes, then select OK, and it is now updating. And then you want to go back to list, chart of accounts. Let me expand that, and then here sales tax payable, right click and then select edit account, and I'm gonna make this now a sub account of sales tax payable. Then save and close. Now let us see if this works. So we're gonna go to customers, create account, well, create invoice rather, and here where it says tax, click there, GCT out. All right, and there it says 16.5%. all right, so it is set up. All right, so once with this the invoice is populated, then it's going to do the necessary calculation and give the amount for the GCT. All right, so that is how you go about adding consumption tax in QuickBooks. All right, hope you found the video informative. See you again in the next video. Take care.